And welcome back to another video. This is Crypto Coins, and in this video we have more positive news, and we're gonna go over why Time Wonderland is rallying today. I called it yesterday. We're gonna see a nice rally out of Time Wonderland. It's up right now about 7.6%, going back up to 3,000, and there's a lot of new news today. Daniel is relentless, and he continues to push forward and talk about his new investments and projects. We're gonna go over some of his tweets. And also, they're planting seeds. Wonderland Time has made a new investment on a new project, and that project is BetSwap. We're going to take a look into BetSwap and see what they're doing. And in addition to that, Daniel also hinted on the tokenomics of the new token they will be releasing. Quick article to explain how potential future, wink wink, emission-based token could balance ecosystem participants. We're going to go over that. And lastly, we're going to go over this article that Sifu released about Rat Memo, FAQ. There was a lot of questions about the Rat Memo. I also have a video. I'll put a link under the description of this video. I went over Rat Memo about a month or two ago. So I'll put a link to that, what you need to know about Rat Memo. And we'll go over this article. A lot of things are happening with Wonderland Time. A lot of positive news and great things coming this week. So you don't want to miss this video. Let's start off with the dashboard here. APY sustaining, like I said, between 60,000 and 90,000. It's at 65,000 and staying consistent. I like that. And if we take a look here now on the minting side, we have Rat Memo and Mem liquidity pool token there. And I believe this is one from SushiSwap. So I believe this is why the SLP is there. And it's earning you 8%, which is fantastic. Right now, staking rewards is 5-day rate, 9.28. And I did wrap my memo, so I currently do have my memo wrapped. And a lot of people are confused how this works. And it explains it here. One wrap memo equals 39.4530 memories. So if we do the math for my position, I have 0.003293 wrap memo. That's 0.003293 wrap memo times, it's equal to 39.4530 memories. 39.4530 memories. That equals to 0.12991 time. So then we'll go here to the time price. We'll do a multiple there. Let's go to the dashboard. And the current price for time is 2,924. Let's take the calculator there. Times 2,924 equals, and this is the value of my current position, $379.88. And that's how that works. So for those of you who are a little confused how that works, this number will continuously rise over time, and the amount of wrap memo you have will not increase, but the value increases over time, and then you multiply that times the value of time, and that's how you get your position value. I hope that helps. Another thing you can do also is it's giving you the multiple here in the index, 8.76. So you basically multiply your position times 8.76 times the current price of time, and that will give you the same result. So there you have it, two different ways to calculate your position. Now let's take a look at Daniel's tweets from today. 3 hours ago, the most important and hardest thing to do for a leader is to know when you're wrong and have the balls to pivot away from your mistakes. I like these statements. He's very vocal, and he shoots. He's a shooter. I've seen some Twitter wars out there, and he's just raw. He doesn't really care. His projects are doing great, and he's a mercenary. And Daniel retweeted this tweet from Cook: 596 million tokens, 1 billion tokens at 0.015, 500 million token airdrop for DAO owners. Situations like these are usually only available to VCs, but for once, the DAO and all participants get to invest in emerging tech like this. This is huge. So Cook here praising that we are investing in Wonderland Time, a DAO where we are participating on the investments that Daniel does. we are being, in a way, venture capitalists by investing in Wonderland Time. This is powerful. Then Daniel tweeted here, the first Wonderland FI seed investment, BetSwap GG, opens up a new era of venture capital and crowdfunding. DAO can compete with VCs, getting even better deal flow thanks to the value proposition of a community of investors rather than a few suits. And he put the Medium article here, which we're going to go over right now. So what is happening is, by being involved in the Wonderland Time DAO, we are acting like venture capitalists, providing liquidity for Daniel to work for us and reach out into new projects and invest our capital into other investments that will add value to our positions. They pulled some triggers today and invested our money into a new project. Let's go over this project. This is Planting Seeds Wonderland DAO. Wonderland Planting Seeds. With a diverse set of investments lined up across Q1, Wonderland is positioning itself well to increase its presence across a multitude of industries. We are happy to announce that the DAO has successfully invested in a decentralized crypto betting platform called BetSwap GG. This investment marks the first capital deployed by the DAO at a seed stage of a new project, an important milestone which differentiates Wonderland from its competitors. By being part of a strong and fast expanding ecosystem, Wonderland is bringing immersive value to projects which are looking to raise capital. Being one of the biggest DAO communities, Wonderland is offering a unique perspective for early projects. The eyes and opinions of a vibrant, fast-growing crypto community which is aligned to its treasury and the success of these early stage investments by holding the Memo token. Allocation details. So we're going to break down how they invested our money. Private round, 596 million BSGG tokens at 0.0056 with 3-month lockup plus linear vesting over 33 months. DAO bonus, 1 billion BSGG tokens at IEO round, 0.015 cents plus 500 million airdrop bonus. Total DAO allocation, 2.096 billion BSGG tokens for 18.33 million. That's an $18.3 million investment, and that is a breakdown of the investment. The BSGG token is the centerpiece of BetSwap GG, providing DAO governance to the betting platform. It is designed to have the sole ability to decide the future of the protocol on any and all matters that can contribute to the enhancement of the platform. Wonderland owns 2 billion tokens. With this sizable allocation, the DAO will actively shape the direction of the protocol and is correctly aligned to seek long-term success through the remaining vesting schedule. Let's finish the article and then we'll step into the website. BetSwap GG is truly decentralized and permissionless peer-to-peer matching engine of bets. This decentralized sports trading exchange connects makers and takers globally to allow bets on all sporting and e-sporting events. Phase 1. The second phase of BetSwap GG will focus on allowing wagering on popular online games where a wager of chess can occur thousands of miles away between two strangers in a safe, trusted, and permissionless manner. DAO opportunities. Wonderland is kicking off 2022 on a high note with several investments being finalized in its first quarter. We are currently discussing an interesting opportunity to democratize access to staking on Avalanche and Phantom. You can find this discussion here, and it has a link here to the discussion. Also, I will leave reference links to all these pages under the description of this video. Over the next few weeks, Wonderland will be sharing further blog posts about acquisitions, investments, and a new fee sharing process. If you want to participate in the decision making, join us on the forum. Huge news there. Our money is putting into work. So this is the BetSwap GG website here. First decentralized betting exchange. Let's scroll down and see what it says here. What is BetSwap GG? It's anonymous. No need to register or create an account. All you need is a MetaMask wallet with some crypto and you can start betting. Awesome. Thumbs up. It's truly decentralized. BetSwap is powered by the Ethereum Layer 2 Polygon. The platform utilizes a governance token that gives its users voting powers to shape the future of the platform. No centralized organization or regulatory body to interfere. It's global. BetSwap is available anytime and anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. It's social. Bet against your friends and family. Raise the stakes and put real money behind your team. It's a great way to make sporting events just a little more fun. Let's take a look at their video.
The betting market is monopolized by big players, and we've all been forced to play by their rules for far too long. It's time to turn the tables. Introducing BetSwap, a decentralized autonomous organization which is owned by its native token holders. Here, everyone can easily bet on their own terms independently. All you need is to choose a sport you wish to bet on, then the match, and finally, connect your crypto wallet in seconds. Everyone can be a bettor or a bookmaker. Get your bet matched and wait until the game ends for the score to be settled by the BetSwap protocol. It's that simple. Part of the commission that is taken out of the profit is used for buying tokens and burning them, by which the demand for tokens rises in the long run. Join BetSwap community today and start betting your way.
That is freaking awesome. Finally, we have a betting website where we just connect our MetaMask, just like any decentralized exchange, and put your bets at will. Fantastic. This looks very promising. And if we scroll down, it shows their user interface, and it looks very sleek. It looks very well thought out, very clean cut, and easy to navigate. And if you go all the way to the bottom, you have the token pre-registration cell and airdrop registration there. So you can put your information there to register for those airdrops. Big, bold moves out of Wonderland time. Let's go back to Daniel's Twitter here. So Daniel here's a tweet where he tweeted about this investment. And as we scroll down, we have another tweet. When the bearish sentiment peaks, I buy more. I'm buying. And he's coming in here and he's buying the dip. And if we scroll lower, we have another interesting article here. He retweeted this article, and if we click on the article, it takes you to this page. This is a quick article to explain how a potential future wink wink emissions-based token could balance ecosystem participants. It breaks down the tokenomics of a new token and how it will function. It's a little intricate. I did read over it slightly. I will leave a link under the description of this video for those of you who want to look further into this. Let's keep it moving. So I'll go over this page that Sifu released for us. Wrap Memo, FAQ. What is Wrap Memo? Wrap Memo, WMemo, is a token that represents the price of time plus all of its rebases. That's why you have an index. The index represents all the rebases that Time Wonderland has given out. So that's why you multiply your Wrap Memo times the index times the price of time. That's how you get the value of your position. Will I get rebases with Wrap Memo the same way I get with Memo? Yes. Think of Wrap Memo like a cookie jar. You stake time, Memo, are the cookies inside, and break up into smaller pieces every 8 hours. This is what we call a rebase. Why should I wrap my Memo? You are not required to wrap your Memo to continue collecting rebases. However, wrapping Memo allows it to be utilized in ways that regular Memo cannot. With Wrap Memo, you can borrow MIM, stablecoin pegged to $1 against your Wrap Memo position using abracadabra.money. So you can leverage your Wrap Memo that you have staked in Wonderland time to borrow against it for a stablecoin. Pretty safe bet there. Use Pendle to bet on the future of Wonderland's APY. Potentially avoid income tax on your rebases if you live in the jurisdictions where that applies. By wrapping your Memo, you're not going to get taxed for those short-term gains. So that helps out for your tax implications. Bridge and stake Wrap Memo on other platforms. So you can move your Wrap Memo into other platforms while it's being staked. So it has multiple utility. Can I buy, sell Wrap Memo directly instead of time? Yes, using SushiSwap. You can buy, sell Wrap Memo directly with MIM. One key benefit here is that Wrap Memo comes staked and wrapped after you buy it. You won't need to visit the Wonderland site or take any extra steps to get your rebase rewards. So now instead of going through buying time and staking it and wrapping it, they now just allow you to trim the fat and just buy the Wrap Memo directly from SushiSwap. And don't forget, you continue to earn those rebases with Wrap Memo. How can I track that my Wrap Memo is being rebased? And I kind of just went over this. You have to look at the current index. You can plug in your wallet address into tools like Zapperfy or dbank.com to check your Wrap Memo balance and see the growth of the memo inside your cookie jar. Please note that the quantity of your Wrap Memo will not change after a rebase, but its value will change based on the rebase rate and the price of Memo. There's third-party apps where you can see the value of your Wrap Memo, or you can just simply do the math if you don't want to connect your wallet into some of these third-party applications. And they have a little cookie jar here. Your memories will continue getting rebased while they are wrapped. I hope this explanation answered a lot of your questions. Let's take a look at some price action. So yesterday I released a video when it was trading around 2600. And I said, based on the news and moves that Daniel is making, we're going to see some price appreciation. And sure enough, we're up 7.6%. Not only are we up, but he's also being proactive and making investments with our money. So as of now, the rebasing is stabled around 65,000 APY, which is ridiculous. And we're trading near 3,000 now. Even if it doesn't recoup, and it stays trading at around 3,000, I'm okay with that. If they sustain the APY, there's no problem. That APY is huge. The compounding effect of that APY is huge. So there's two things that I'm looking for. I want the price to stabilize at some point or trade within a range, and I want the APY to stay consistent. Or we can have the other outcome where the APY can drop slightly, but I want the price of time to rise. Either way, I want a nice balancing act here where you can make consistent returns for being a holder. So this is what Daniel's figuring out. He's figuring out mechanics where we can still earn awesome APY by being holders. Great update today. I really like what the team is doing. And BetSwap, I'm going to register and I want part of that airdrop. Once BetSwap hits the floors, I'm going to invest in BetSwap. It's a win-win. Daniel is showing us the projects he's investing in, where the money is going, and I think it would be smart to follow that. That's going to do it for this video, guys. Awesome update today. Wonderland time making moves once again, back-to-back 2 days of awesome news, and I'm bullish overall here. If you found this video of any value, make sure to like and subscribe down below and check out the links under the description of this video. I have free Discord where we find out a lot of this news and new projects. Also, I have a 1% trading bot. I have an update. I'm making 5% returns on my investment every 7 days. Every week, I'm making 5% returns on that bot. It's been extremely efficient. Today marks my 2 weeks of trading and having that bot active, and the results are consistent. Very pleased. And also Patreon links down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's going to do it for this one, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.